Harmony Alliance has created a unique data space along with a community of European researchers. But what it makes it unique is the way it does it. It's very inclusive. It has brought together a core stakeholder group.
I think that Harmony is a great platform, including data coming from clinical trials and also from the real life.
In order to combine this data, there are a lot of obstacles actually in data sharing agreements, and this actually takes a lot of effort.
I think that Harmony has done a great job already in overcoming some of these obstacles by designing a data infrastructure in which you can not only from a technical but also from a regulatory and ethical perspective bring these data together in a responsible way.
Having these big data lakes, we can go back into really subgroups, do subgroup analysis and can get focused answers to our questions.
I believe that the future of Harmony should really be to continue this excellent work and to be able to collaborate and pool data. I think it's the only way forward to aggregate data in large databases, to be able to perform analysis on small patient subpopulations and review them efficiently.
So my wish for the future of Harmony is that everyone involved in Harmony, plus of course the European Commission, will think about how can they sustain such a project.
The results are coming, and the result of the project is the project itself. Data sharing is a topic in which everybody really wins, but most important people who win are the patients.